this video presentation, I will demonstrate the efficient and straightforward steps to effectively communicate with the Roblox support team. Please pay close attention to ensure a successful interaction. It is important to note that the process remains consistent regardless of the device you are using, whether it be a computer, mobile device, or any other device. To initiate the process, open your preferred web browser and search for Roblox support. Once on the support page, enter your birth date as requested. Proceed by inputting your username, email address, and confirming your email. Provide a concise description of the issue you are encountering. Select the device you are using, such as Xbox, PC, or any other relevant option. You may need to select a secondary category if applicable and provide a detailed explanation of your problem to ensure effective assistance. After including all the necessary information, submit your query by clicking on the Send button. This action will transmit your message directly to the support team for prompt attention.